Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel, English World 2004. Here, I help people from around the world learn English. If you're new here, I suggest you hit the subscribe button, like, and share the video because you're not gonna regret it. Today, we're gonna talk about 20 of the most frequently used proverbs in English, with their definitions and Persian equivalents. Even if you're not Persian, it's totally fine. It's just an advantage to Persian people. So, without any further delays, let's get started. So the first proverb we're going to deal with is, actions speak louder than words. What do we mean when we say somebody's actions speak louder than their words? It simply means that what you do is more important than what you say. Let's read this story to understand it better.
The mayor gave a big speech about helping people, but never actually did anything. Lisa, a quiet student, volunteered at the animal shelter every weekend. People saw that Lisa's actions showed she cared, more than the mayor's words ever could. What you do is louder than what you say.
So, do your actions speak louder than your words? Tell us in the comments. Number 2. A picture is worth 1,000 words. It means a visual image can convey a lot of information quickly and effectively. Let's look at this one's story.
The battlefield was silent, the war finally over. No words could capture the scale of the destruction, the loss, the sheer weight of sorrow. But a single photograph, taken by a young soldier, a lone teddy bear lying amidst the rubble, perfectly encapsulated the innocence lost, the dreams shattered, the unbearable cost of war, speaking volumes that words could never express.
Number 3. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. It means follow the customs and traditions of the place you are in. The story?
In a quiet mountain village, Sarah tried to keep her city habits. But the locals, happy with simple things, woke with the sun and shared everything. Sarah joined them, letting go of her routine. She found a new peace, understanding that to truly experience a place, you must live like the locals do.
Number 4. The early bird catches the worm. It means those who are diligent and start early are more likely to succeed.
Sarah always slept late and missed out on things. Ben woke up early and got things done. Sarah complained, but Ben got the good grades and the cool opportunities. Sarah learned that if you want to succeed, you have to wake up early and get to work.
Number 5. Don't judge a book by its cover. It means don't form an opinion based on appearances alone.
Old Mr. Peterson lived alone, always wore grumpy clothes, and never smiled. The kids on the street called him Scary Pete. One day, a little girl's cat got stuck in his tree. Everyone was scared to ask for help, but Lily did. Mr. Peterson, gently and carefully, rescued the cat. Lily realized Scary Pete wasn't scary at all. He was just a lonely man who needed a friend. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Number 6. Better late than never. It means sometimes it's better to do something late than not at all.
Mark always dreamed of being a chef, but went to law school to please his parents. He hated it. Finally, at 40, he quit his law job and enrolled in cooking school. It was scary, but he loved it. Years later, he owned a successful restaurant. He often said, "I wish I'd done it sooner, but better late than never."
Number 7. Easy come, easy go. It means things that are easily acquired are easily lost.
Tom won the lottery. He bought a fancy car, a huge TV, and treated everyone to expensive dinners. Within a year, the money was gone. He hadn't saved a penny or invested anything. Back to his old job, Tom sighed, "Easy come, easy go. I should have been smarter."
Number 8. Practice makes perfect. It means repeated effort leads to skill and mastery.
Little Leo wanted to play the piano like his grandpa, but his first lessons sounded awful. He wanted to quit. Practice makes perfect, Leo, Grandpa said gently. Day after day, Leo practiced. Slowly, the notes became music. Finally, he played a beautiful song for Grandpa. Leo smiled. Hard work paid off.
Number 9. You can't have your cake and eat it too. It means you can't enjoy two incompatible things simultaneously.
Sarah wanted to go to the party and finish her big school project. She knew she couldn't do both well. She decided to go to the party, telling herself she'd finish the project later. The next day, tired and rushed, her project was a mess and her grade was bad. She learned a hard lesson. You can't have your cake and eat it too.
Number 10. Too many cooks spoil the broth. It means too many people interfering with a task can ruin it.
Grandma always made amazing soup, following her own secret recipe. This year, everyone wanted to help, adding their own special spices and ingredients. The soup ended up tasting terrible, too salty, too spicy, and just plain weird. Grandma sighed, too many cooks spoil the broth. Next year, I'm cooking alone.
Number 11. Look before you leap. It means think carefully before taking action.
Excited about a get-rich-quick scheme, Jake invested all his savings without doing any research. The company turned out to be a scam, and he lost everything. Dejected, Jake realized he should have been more careful. He learned the hard way. Always look before you leap.
Number 12. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It means don't risk everything on a single venture.
Maria loved investing in TechCorp stock. It was doing so well, she put all her savings into it. Then TechCorp suddenly crashed. Maria lost everything. Her financial advisor had warned her, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Maria learned the hard way that diversification is key.
Number 13. Honesty is the best policy. It means being truthful is always the best approach. Number 14. A penny saved is a penny earned. It means saving money is as good as making money.
Lisa always spent her allowance right away on candy and toys. Her friend, Mark, saved a little bit each week. When Lisa's bike broke, she couldn't afford to fix it. Mark, with his savings, bought a brand new bike. Lisa realized then, a penny saved is a penny earned.
Number 15. Where there is a will, there is a way. It means if you're determined enough, you'll find a way to achieve your goal.
Maria wanted to climb the mountain, but everyone said it was too hard. She was small and not very strong. But Maria was determined. She trained every day, step by step. Finally, she reached the top, exhausted but triumphant. Where there's a will, there's a way, she thought, looking at the world below.
Number 16. Rome wasn't built in a day. It means important things take time and effort.
Ben wanted to write a novel, but after a week, he only had a few pages and felt discouraged. His grandma smiled and said, "Rome wasn't built in a day, Ben. Keep writing, little by little, and you'll get there." He kept at it, and a year later, he held his finished book.
Number 17. No pain, no gain. It means you must work hard to achieve success.
Sarah hated running. It was hard and her legs always ached. But she wanted to run a marathon. So she ran every day, pushing through the pain. On race day, she finished strong, crossing the finish line with a huge smile. No pain, no gain, she thought, proudly.
Number 18. Birds of a feather flock or fly together. It means people with similar interests and traits tend to associate with each other.
Maya loved reading, but felt alone at her school. Then she joined the book club. Suddenly, she was surrounded by kids who loved books as much as she did. They spent hours discussing stories and sharing favorite authors. Maya finally found her people. Birds of a feather, she smiled, flocked together.
Number 19. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. It means being apart from someone can strengthen your feelings for them.
Liam and Chloe had been together for years, taking each other for granted. Liam took a job in another country. Suddenly, they missed each other terribly. They talked every day, cherishing every moment. When Liam finally came home, their reunion was filled with joy and appreciation. Absence, they learned, truly makes the heart grow fonder.
Number 20. You reap what you sow. It means your actions have consequences. You get what you deserve.
John was a lazy farmer. He never bothered to properly plant his seeds or water his crops. His field remained barren and empty. His neighbor, Sarah, worked hard, planting carefully and tending to her field every day. Her harvest was abundant, overflowing with fruits and vegetables. John finally understood. You reap what you sow.
Now, which of these proverbs did you like the most? Tell us in the comments. Alright guys, this is the end of this session. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching. See you next time.